Behind the familiar turkey on the dinner table is a massive agricultural system few people ever see. This is where thousands of birds are raised under carefully controlled conditions. Automated systems help deliver consistent nutrition across the entire flock.
Fresh water is continuously available through automated drinking systems.
Inside the barn, technology constantly monitors the environment.
Powerful ventilation systems help maintain stable air movement inside the facility.
The process begins with young poults that require carefully managed conditions during their earliest stage of growth.
Routine observation helps workers identify changes in flock health and behavior.
Modern turkey production combines animal care with increasingly sophisticated monitoring technology. Over the following weeks, the poults rapidly transform into large, mature birds. At maturity, the scale of the operation becomes clear. Behind every flock is a continuous supply chain of feed, storage, and transportation.
Carefully formulated feed is mixed and transported directly to the farm.
Biosecurity procedures are an important part of protecting large flocks from disease. Every stage requires constant observation and equipment checks. Keeping automated systems running is essential to maintaining a continuous operation. From a single barn, the scale of modern turkey production can be difficult to comprehend. This is not simply a barn. It is an interconnected agricultural production system. This is not simply a barn. It is an interconnected agricultural production system. When the production cycle reaches its final stage, transportation becomes the next major step. When the production cycle reaches its final stage, transportation becomes the next major step. The transfer is carefully organized to reduce unnecessary stress and maintain an efficient workflow. The journey continues at a highly specialized processing facility.
Every shipment is documented and processed through controlled procedures.
Inside, automation and human supervision work together throughout the processing chain.
Quality control teams monitor the process at multiple points. Controlled washing and chilling help prepare the product for safe handling and packaging. Behind the production floor, testing and quality control systems provide another layer of oversight. Once approved, products move into automated packaging systems.
Temperature-controlled storage keeps products ready for distribution.
From farm to processing facility, the journey is finally ready to enter the food supply chain. What began as a young dairy calf on a farm has now become part of a massive nationwide supply chain.
From here, products are distributed to markets and food businesses across the country.
Eventually, the final stage of the journey reaches the consumer.
Every package represents a much larger chain of farms, workers, technology, transportation, and processing.
Behind the final product is an enormous industrial system operating almost continuously.
And it all begins here.
Modern turkey farming combines animal husbandry, technology, logistics, and food production on a remarkable scale.
Understanding the process means looking beyond the final product and seeing the entire system behind it.
From the first days of growth to the final stage of distribution, every step is part of a complex journey. This is the hidden journey behind America's turkey industry, from the farm through a massive production system, and finally,